Hey guys, I am super excited. Cricut Design Space just announced and released a warp feature with text in Cricut Design Space app. Um, so to get this option, you are going to need your Cricut Design Space in beta mode, and I can show you how to do that. You need to go to the three little dashes here in the left-hand side, and then go down to Settings and in order to do this, you have to be in beta mode. So make sure beta is switched on, so it's green right there. Click done. And if this is the first time you are switching over to beta mode, it is going to go through a Cricut Design Space update, and then it will relaunch with the new beta mode. So after that, you can see here that there is a warp feature right here, and this is new. The offset is also a beta mode feature, however, this is available on the live mode as well, but the warp option is not. So go ahead and click your text, and you can just kind of play around with the warp and the different colors. So also, since it has the app here, you do need Cricut Access in order to print this. However, you can play around with it all you want um, without needing to pay for access. But in order to actually cut this or print this or whatever, you do need to have access. So kind of play with different settings here. It's kind of neat how they have different options. So here's are all the different options that they have. They have 24 different options, which is a lot in my opinion. So pretty cool. You can do different layering techniques with this and things like that, make it look 3D. So really cool new thing that Cricut Design Space did just come out with. Just thought I'd let you all know and do a quick little tutorial on it. Thanks for watching.